Okay, I think this is getting close. So I did this API test workflow or project, excuse me, and it looks like we are getting the reminders here. This was one day before. This is 3 days before. This is one day before. The weird thing is, so I had three companies. I had Hallmark. Um, I had to put Bruno Clay in here. Don't worry about that. It works. It's just for a view reason. So whoever's bidding the project is also a bidder. Um, so I have AK Metals, Chesapeake, and Hallmark. And what I did is I submitted a bid from Hallmark, which I believe is this dnode thing right here. Is there a way you can fix that so we can see who really the list of bids should, I think it should be the company, because then we have will bid, and then the list of bids would be over here. But I submitted Hallmark, which I think that's why Hallmark is not over here anymore, because they said they would bid and they threw a bid in. So that would mean they don't need the reminder. The weird thing is, so the other two, AK and Chesapeake, I never submitted a bid, so they should keep getting reminders. But the weird thing is, for whatever reason, and this might be user error on my end, I don't know how, but it's kind of throwing me off. AK gets a double reminder. So it looks like Chesapeake is working fine, excuse me, and AK is getting a double. I don't know what this is really over here. API. See, I don't know what this double is right here. Maybe you can take a look and let me know what you think. I'm not really sure, but it looks like it's kind of functioning. I can do another test though, but let me know if you see the error.